Two-wheel drive, baby. It's because she's not 4x4, she's two-wheel. But she's good. All right. I've been out most of the afternoon. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Maybe 6:30 because that sun's about to go down. I'm in southern New Mexico. I have been tracking hogs because they're delicious and they're free and they're a menace. There's some government land out here, some free range land, and I have seen the hogs. That last time we were rattlesnake hunting water, we were on our way out. It was about 12:30, 12:45, past midnight. It's gonna be 1 a.m. and a huge brown hog just ran right in front of the truck. But the desert's really rough out here. That video, that short clip of the truck climbing up, I mean, I'm out here by myself. And yes, I know I should have told somebody where I was going to be, but actually nobody knows I'm out here. I am packing the High Point C9. I have another mag, and that's a Kydex sheath, by the way, in belt or in the pants or whatever. It is loaded. I mean, it doesn't have one in the chamber, but it is loaded. I was going to bring the Taurus. The Taurus is more comfortable. My G2C, because it's smaller. The frame is much smaller and it's got more capacity than this one. This is my baby. You guys have never seen it. This leather pad is very padded. It's very cushiony. It is a Savage 270 single shot. It's zeroed in at between 150 to 300 yards. About 150 yards, I mean, that's a pretty good ways. I mean, you pretty much just put the crosshairs on your target, and I mean, the trajectory in the 270 bullet, I love it. And this is actually 150 grain. I like using 130 grain. I don't even know why I have this box, but I use, and I like Federal 270 ammo. I love Federal. The safety is off. The safety is off right there. Actually, it's ready to fire. It is loaded because I was looking for hogs, like I said. Whoops. Well, there goes one. But yeah, it's just a single shot, and I love it. There, safety back on. And it's got a Bushnell 45. I don't know if you can focus in there. And it does the job great. I know it's not the most... It's a very old-fashioned rifle, but it works. I mean, this thing is... It has never let me down, and it's got a very good bang. If you ever shot a 270, I mean 30-06, 7mm magnums, all of those. I mean, I love those. But this is my baby. It's my favorite hunting, big game hunting rifle. We shot like a, it was a jackrabbit, I think, one time, and that thing just kind of disintegrated. There was pretty much nothing left. But I love this. I was rocking the Maxpedition. I owe you a review on this thing. I was gonna do a loadout review, but it's getting dark and I'm starving. It's a Pygmy Maxpedition. Pygmy Falcon 2. And I got it to compare it to my Red Rock Summit. It's basically the same pack, except this has a rubber bottom, thicker material, and the clamshell's open. Um, the zippers, the zippers on that Red Rock are amazing. But besides that, there's absolutely no difference. I got it for a really, really good price, so I couldn't pass it up. And so I sold some of my backpacks to get this and my... Oh, God. I'm so hungry I can't even think. That 35-liter green backpack you've seen, I have a review on that. You've seen it. And then I just have my binoculars, which I pretty much don't take. I look for tracks mainly, and I use my ears. And this scope is really, really, really good. I mean, you can see far, far away and zoom in, focus in right here in the back, and it does a great job. I was also going to do, I don't know if I'm going to have a chance to, I got this bowl almost a year ago for my birthday. My birthday is in April. A very, very dear friend of mine and gave it to me. I believe it was in conjunction her and her son. And it's the Stanley 2-bowl cook set. And it comes with the bowls, the lid, and this lid, you can use it for the bowls, but you can use it as a cutting board. And then with the ladle and a spatula, and then you can hook them up together. She asked me, hey, why haven't you done a review on that thing? So, you guys are reviewing this and on that backpack. For now, we might get to see it working. I'm gonna turn on some firewood, turn it on right here. I have plenty of water. I'll put it out before I leave, and I'm gonna set up to cook. I think I broke the crackers. There's something in there. I think I broke something in there, unless it's peanuts. But look, it's an old MRE. Menu number 9, beef stew. I actually love that beef stew. And I might have some kind of spice in there or something. But I'll bring it back in a bit. Back to the climbing. Those tires are amazing. See if I can focus you in. Already got the fire started. Let me see if you can. Oh, it's not gonna focus. They're those KM3s. BF Goodrich mud terrain. They're ridiculously heavy tires. I don't know what they got inside of them, lead or what, but they are very, very heavy. And that little fire smells so good. I'll bring you in right now. Cause I'm starving, man. I think I'm just gonna heat up that. I'm gonna see if the MRE comes with a heater. But it's probably too old. It might not work. If not, I'll just put that new bowl with water right there and we'll heat it up. Bring you guys back in a bit. I feel like a kid every time I want to dig into one of these MREs, man. Well, if I can figure it out. There we go. What do you know? It worked. Half-assed, but it worked. Alright. I heard something in there. Hey, it does come with a heater, man. Well, that fire feels good and it smells great. K-bar. Dozier. Very, very well used, believe me. I beat the snot out of this thing all the time. She hasn't given up yet. This wood, guys, it's all mesquite. I just find it on the side of the county dirt roads out here. There's one tractor that takes care of these roads. And a lot of the land is owned by the Federal Bureau of Land Management. I hope I got that right. That's a mouthful. I mean, I've ran into border patrols out here because We're about 10 miles south of here is the border of Mexico. And even the border patrols tell you, you're going to be in this area, you know, better be careful and pack something just in case. Well, because of the feral hogs and there's mountain lions and what have you. So there was something rattling in there. We got a carbohydrate electrolyte beverage and powder. All right. This is not a review on the MRE, okay? So I hope YouTube doesn't harass me about this. And this one comes with a multi-grain snack bar. That'll go good with that. With a beef stew. Strawberry jam. Also, this is the bomb. MRE trans fat free. MRE trans fat free spice pound cake. Oh, this thing is sick, guys. With a cup of hot tea or a cup of joe or a cup of hot cocoa. Man. MRE spoon. Hot sauce. Look. And I said I was going to dig in there, see if I needed something spicy. I guess they already knew. Pretzels. Oh, this is what I heard rattling in there. And the peanut butter. This is the bomb, guys. Your accessory pack. Hot beverage bag. And what's an MRE? Well, it says right here. What's an MRE? It explains to you right there. Blah, 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 blah. You know what? For the sake of the Stanley pot. Oh, it's right here. See? Let's crack this thing open and use it. Brand new, guys. You guys saw that? I had to cut the box open. Look at this. And I'm not going to rinse the bowl or anything. Right here in the wild, right? There's no coronavirus out here. Oh, the people are going crazy over that crap. You squeeze this, you bring it down, and it locks in place, and then you push this so it'll be locked in place as a handle. And then all the bowls and things there. Look, let's check this out. Let's see if we can get away with this, guys. My oh, this is a 1 gallon canteen. I got this at the chickssaddlery.com. It's sick, man. Carry a lot of backup water in this. I know they say you're supposed to rinse these dishes out or wash them before you use them. I'll make me some hot coffee or tea with that water right now when I'm done. Because it's okay. And we're gonna lay it on the fire. Can you guys see me? Oh man. It's a little rager. It's a raging little fire. There's a rock on one side right there. I'm gonna see if I can build a little fire around that. Bring it over here a bit. Well, we're gonna break this pot in really good, guys. Glad you guys are with me. Let me see. Let me build the fire around that thing, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, I'm going to drop it in. There's a lot of little pieces of, God, what is, I can't talk. My God, that's embarrassing. Charcoal, that are little powder stuff. Doesn't hurt you if you drink that or eat it. And this camera, I don't know if it's cooperating. It looks like it's not focusing. Oh, I told you guys I'll give you an update. I told you I was getting over some health issues. And I was. And then I cut my hand really, 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 really bad. It's right there. You can. It already healed, but there was like a hole right there. It was pretty bad. And I took 2 weeks off of work, and I couldn't basically do anything. So this is my first time out here. And then let's cook that. Let's heat it up because I'm hungry. I have the pot sitting on 2 rocks, more or less. Hope we don't lose it. I was too much in a hurry, and I'm hungry. It's heating up fast. That pan is really hot. The water's getting hot already. It's about to simmer, I bet. They say you're supposed to eat your other ingredients or condiments or... Okay. Alright. Here's keyboard. This thing ain't gonna open, so... How about some pretzels, guys? I wonder what kind of... Hey! They're little stick pretzels. I actually like pretzels. With a beer. It's getting dark, guys. I say within 30 minutes it's going to be dark here. Coyotes are going to start. I'm going to start to hear the coyotes. The hogs are going to start to come out. I need a sand rail buggy so I can chase them with a lot of LED lights on it. That's what I need. I'm inside of a crater right now. It's not Kilborn's crater or Kilborn's hole, which is very popular. It's another one. Not a lot of people come to this one. And I don't know if you can appreciate the beauty of it. That bald spot you see right there, water accumulates there when it rains a lot. And it has rained a lot, but I guess it evaporated and sunk. But it is fairly deep in there. That bald spot right there is about 300 to 400 yards away. It is far. And this camera's not doing justice, man. But I bought a new camera, guys. I ordered it. Waiting for it to come in. I'm supposed to be able to put it on my head. And the reason I bought it is so when I go doing one of these excursions, like today you couldn't see what I did. I'm carrying my rifle on my left side, and my backpack, and then sometimes the binoculars. And I can be holding the camera with a selfie stick or anything. So I ordered me one that I can put on a helmet. I can put aside of my head or on my backpack or somewhere that it's looking forward where I'm looking. I don't think it's that fancy, but I'll try it out. If it works, I'll buy a better one. And I'm gonna feed that fire. These pretzels are actually good. Somebody can entice me. It says 7/174. By looking at the package, I don't know if that's 174th day of 2007 or 174th day of 2017. The pretzels taste great. They taste fresh as it can be. And I want to feed that fire. The coals are really hot. That mesquite wood makes really hot coals, guys. Whoa! Almost lost it there, guys. Did you see that? Almost lost it on camera. Live. In front of y'all. Oh yeah, I was gonna grab it with my bare hand. I'm gonna put another rock there, because that's the way I wanted to tilt. There That should be alright. If it's just warm, I mean, that's fine. I don't complain too much. These pretzels are really good. I'm thinking it's 2017. Well, what do you know? There's one star in the sky that I can see right now. And that's a North Star. Let me see if I can get you guys a shot of it. Oh, I can't see it on the camera. It's right. Not even if I zoom, I bet. Oh, no. Let me see. Oh, this camera is starting to... I'm starting to give up on this. But anyways... Some birds singing. Maybe they're getting ready to go to sleep. Or something. Come on, baby. All right, I'm gonna finish those pretzels. I'll be back. Okay, guys. That MRE's hot. The water's simmering. Excuse me. There's a huge jackrabbit that just went by here. I think he was hungry or he was taunting me. I thought I heard him say, "Hey, Marco, you wanna eat some jackrabbit tonight?" I'm gonna eat that MRE. Let me go fetch it. This water's really hot, guys. Hope I don't spill it on me. I'm gonna leave one glove on. Cut it sideways. We're not gonna use the bowls for the thing. We just use the pot. The handle's pretty cool. Look, where you can see the steam. So we blackened it a little bit. So now we can start to rag on it. No, this is all K-bar. Right here. Maybe one on the other side. There's some that split open sideways real easy, and there's some that don't. MREs, that is. Hey, I think, oh no, I better hold it like this. And we're gonna put the hot sauce pack in there, okay? Why? Because we like it. Oh, it's a tough one to open. It's getting dark here, guys. Tastes like Tabasco. Very vinegary. Here's that spoon. I'm gonna use the MRE spoon, of course. And I'm gonna have a mess here to clean up right now. I better eat quick. I'm not gonna bore you guys here watching me eat this, but give you a taste test here. I'll tell you what, MRE, the beef stew, it's got to be one of my favorite ones, if not my favorite one. Yeah, Can taste the peas, the carrots, the potatoes, the meat. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna hit the spot. Sorry guys, I was starving. I'm being a pig. I was really, really, really hungry. I hadn't eaten. I took off on foot. Probably at 12:30. And I just got back to the truck before you started climbing up, which was like, it was maybe 5. That's about 5 hours. The only thing I had was water. I do have food in there, in the backpack. But I wanted to sit down, get a little fire going, see if I could give you guys a little video. I hope you guys don't mind me chewing. I hope you don't mind the video. I mean, it's not a very exciting video. I haven't been out in a while. Like I said, I was having some health issues in the latter part of 2019. I was working on that, getting over that. And then, a few weeks ago, I injured my hand. Well, it's my shooting hand. I mean, I can shoot left-handed, but it ain't the same. Oh, this MRE was good. Yeah, it's a little bit different than the older MREs. I do believe it's a newer one. Because the stew is kind of reddish. I don't remember being it reddish. See? I'm done, guys. It's gone. I was starving, man. Ugh. It's just hot water. I repurposed the spoons. I used them a couple of more times, you know. Put it right here in my backpack for now. Maybe tomorrow I'll give you a video, make a video for you on the contents of the bag, of that bag. I'm still hungry, guys. I have a cup in the truck. There's gotta be coffee in this accessory bag, man. Where's that K-bar? I'm glad I didn't put that K-bar away. There's gotta be coffee in here, man. I can't see. Oh, you know what, guys? Look, I just remembered. I got a Cyclops. Are you reading it right? Cyclops. Excuse me. I'm gonna turn my cap around. It's the first time the Cyclops is out in the wild. Oh yeah. Well, doesn't seem that bright, but it worked. It tilts, see? And then it's got low beam, red, green, and strobe. So we're gonna leave it on that bright one. It ain't that bright, but we'll leave it there for now. Yeah, I just noticed I don't know if you can see it glowing in the dark. That bracelet. I got a paracord bracelet on the outside of my pack and it glows. It's got some little specks, white specks. That little fire's nice. Hey, there's a spider right there. Well, gonna break that. See if we can lighten up the show a little bit. Oh, I said I had a cup. I got a cup with dirt in it. Creamer, non-dairy. So there might be coffee. Coffee instant type 3. Spray dried. Sprayed? Dried? That, I never heard of that, but okay. This must be one of the newer ones. But, hey, I'm still hungry. Usually I would burn these little packages, guys. I want to take them out this time. I'll just put everything in the MRE bag, see? And I'll take it back out with me. But usually, like I said, I'll leave little, it doesn't hurt Mother Nature. So, all you plastic guys and Mother Nature guys, I love Mother Nature too, so. It doesn't hurt anything. Still got pretzels, Jesus. Pretzels are gone. We're gonna do the creamer. We're gonna do the whole 9 yards, guys, with that little bit of water with pieces of charcoal in it. Can you guys see this? Can you see what I'm doing? There's creamer. All of it. I hear some birds or something. Maybe it's the little night owls. 1 packet of sugar, 1 packet of salt, 1 towelette, matches, and the gum. Well, might as well do the sugar. Sugar. Here's that dirty water. I don't think it matters. We probably breathe worse things than that on a daily basis. And anyways, what a mess with that coronavirus, huh, guys? We'll talk about that tomorrow. Maybe I'll make a video on that. Because these people are amazing. I mean, you would feel that people would come together and they're like, oh my God, where's that MRE spoon? People are amazing, you know. They act like savages. I mean, we've had toilet paper in the house because we usually buy toilet paper. Oh, God, that's not great, but it's not bad. Oh, yeah. We'll make the video about the Corona thing tomorrow. You know what? I'm going to have this spice pound cake with my coffee. Yeah, we're going to throw this container away. When you guys get stuff like this, I know this one's like for food, but there's others, those oxygen absorbers. I'm going to give you a quick tip of what I do. Thought I heard some gunshots way back in the distance over there. Anyways, what I do with the oxygen absorbers, when I buy like a camera or something, everything has oxygen absorbers. I throw them in my gun safe and my ammo boxes are all around the ammo, you know. I just throw a bunch of them in there. It's a huge safe or box that I have, and I just throw them in there because they can't hurt. This pound cake is not bad. See the little branches I put in the fire? And I don't even have to keep taking care of it because that mesquite wood is so hard, guys. It's the equivalent of your, I don't know, maybe oak or cherry.